ESPN Global is the mobile esports platform based in UK. It is run by ESPN Global Corporation Ltd, headquartered in Poland. It is the future of mobile gaming and offers most of the popular games in one application. Here, we don't need a centralized platform. The blockchain system can verify and support extreme levels of transactions, and this is what all industries are seeing as the most attractive feature. ESPN conducts online tournaments with blockchain-enabled system. Want to experience it? Become our affiliate player. Just download our ESPN application and start playing for free. You can also become affiliate player by participating in Super Contest program, valued $50 for a year. Super Contest benefits. Number 1. 5 ESPN Play tokens worth $5 every month till 12 months. Number 2. Smart Gaming Token SGT worth $100. Number 3. Referral incentive 50 business points. Number 4. Opportunity to earn through a unique referral program. You can also earn $0.1 by referring a free player and also $0.5 each time when they play games above $5. Isn't it amazing? But we haven't stopped it here. We do provide various incentives and bonuses. Each 50 business points matching will earn you $5 to $25, depending upon your rank and achievement. Just have a look on our rank and their qualification criteria chart, our enhanced max out chart, super matching bonus chart, Hall of Fame bonus illustration, Hall of Fame bonus illustration chart. Not stopping yet. Want to grow more? So we provide Medal of Honor and Hall of Fame bonus. Something is really unique and exceptional in ESPN eSport ecosystem. Nobody is a loser here. Winner is a winner and a loser is also a winner. In case you lose the game, you are compensated with the same value of SGT, which will give you higher benefits over a period of time. For more details, please go through our presentation or visit www.espnglobal.com.